Hello! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a background. There are two kinds of backgrounds, tiled backgrounds and sprite backgrounds. A tiled background is where a sprite is repeated in tiles for the background, and a sprite is just a single large sprite. But first, before we add a background, we will need to have created a sprite for the background. If you have not done that yet, then just click the annotation down in the bottom left corner to watch the sprite making video. Now that you have created your background, when adding the background to your game, it is best if you create a new layer specifically for it, which you can do by selecting the layer tab and adding a layer here. This layer should then be put to the bottom of the list, and then it's probably best if you rename it to avoid confusion. You should also change the topmost layer to transparent, so that way you can actually see the background. And then if you want, you can change the bottom layer to not be transparent. When adding a background, you'll need to insert a tiled background, and then you load from here the background which you're going to use. Now you will need to set the size of the background to the same size as the layout itself, which you can find in the layout properties. So for this, it is 1708 by 960. And then you're going to need to change the position. If it's a tiled background, then set the position to 0-0. However, if it is a sprite background, like in this, you will need to set the position to half of the size. For instance, for this, you will need to be 854 by 480. This should fill the background with the sprite that you used. And now, if you wanted to insert your character sprite, you would just go through the same steps. Go through here, load, and load it.